back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to be doing some scrambled eggs, but in a kind of Ethiopian way. So we've got tomatoes, onions, olive oil, lots of chili in there. It's quite spicy. Absolutely delicious. Give it a try. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. So here I've got 4 eggs beaten already, and then about equal parts of onion and tomato cut nice and small. Then we've got some fresh chili and some olive oil. That is about it. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Let's get moving. Let's get started here. So I've got a pan, you need a frying pan or a wok or something like that. Now we're going to just add our onions straight in with no oil, which is a very common thing in quite a lot of Ethiopian cooking. So we're going to fry or dry fry the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring them. And there we go, we've got a kind of nice golden brown on those onions. And like I say, yeah, if you're going to make, for example, which is probably the national dish of Ethiopia, doro wat, which is a chicken stew, doro meaning chicken, which involves huge amounts of onions. You'd get them into a big pot and you'd do this process first. No oil, basically. Okay, now we're going to go in with some olive oil. And our tomatoes. Again, really cut nice and small. And we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. So we really cook the tomatoes down. So these have really started to break down. They're beautiful. At this point, just going to add some salt to taste. Do a bit of black pepper. Well, let me grab my eggs. So I've got 4 beaten eggs here for this amount. You know. I'm now going to drop in that fresh chopped chili. Quite a lot. Like I say, this is quite spicy. And now we're going to stir this around, probably for about 3 to 4 minutes. Generally, we'd cook this fairly dry, meaning no runny egg. Okay, off goes the heat. Now, there is one ingredient that I haven't put in, which is a Ethiopian spiced butter. Known as Kibbe. If you put that in, it gives it a lovely, lovely flavour. I don't have any, but you could, if you've got some Kibbe, put that in. Simply, heats off, we're just going to serve that with some bread. And there you go, really simple. Quite spicy, like I say, but absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.